Apple has just unveiled its boldest move in years, the all-new iPhone Air, and people across the USA are asking one big question. Is this slim, futuristic phone really the game-changer Apple claims it to be, or is it just another sleek rebrand with a higher price tag? In this video we're diving deep into the iPhone Air 2025 to see what makes it stand out, and whether you should actually consider it over the iPhone 17 Pro or wait for something else. So what's the hype about? The iPhone Air is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, designed with a lightweight titanium frame that feels almost unreal when you hold it. Apple says it has managed to cut down bulk without sacrificing durability, which is impressive, but what really grabs attention is the brand new edge-to-edge OLED display that looks brighter and sharper than anything we've seen on an iPhone before. If you're the type who streams Netflix, plays games, or scrolls TikTok non-stop, this screen alone feels like a major upgrade. But Apple didn't stop at design. Inside the iPhone Air is the A19 Bionic chip, which delivers blazing fast performance and improved AI processing. That means smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and smarter on-device AI features. Imagine being able to edit a 4K video on the go or get real-time language translation with almost no lag. Apple is positioning the iPhone Air not just as a pretty phone, but as a productivity and entertainment powerhouse. Battery life is another big question. With such a slim body, many users worried Apple would compromise here, but early tests suggest the iPhone Air actually lasts longer than the iPhone 16 Pro thanks to more efficient battery tech and iOS 19 optimization. Apple is claiming up to 22 hours of video playback, which puts it right in the flagship category. Combine that with the new MagSafe 2 charging, which finally brings faster wireless charging speeds, and this phone starts to feel very future-ready. Now let's talk about cameras, because for a lot of buyers this is where decisions are made. The iPhone Air packs a dual-lens system, not quite as powerful as the triple-lens setup on the iPhone 17 Pro, but Apple has included its new 48-megapixel wide sensor with upgraded low-light performance. Night photography looks stunning, and Apple's AI-driven Smart HDR6 makes portraits look professional without any editing. For most people, this camera will be more than enough, though hardcore content creators may still lean toward the Pro model. Of course, no Apple launch is complete without controversy, and this time its price. The iPhone Air starts at $999 in the USA, which means Apple is clearly targeting people who want the latest design but don't necessarily need every single Pro feature. Some might call it overpriced, but considering what you're getting, a thinner, lighter, more futuristic iPhone with flagship performance, it could end up being Apple's most popular model of the year. So, is the iPhone Air truly a game changer? In my opinion, yes and no. It's a bold step forward in design, proving Apple still knows how to innovate, but it's not a revolution in terms of features. It's more about lifestyle, portability, and that wow factor when you pull it out of your pocket. If you want the absolute best cameras and don't mind the extra bulk, the iPhone 17 Pro remains king. But if you want something sleek, futuristic, and still powerful enough for 2025 and beyond, the iPhone Air might just be your perfect upgrade. What do you think? Is Apple's iPhone Air your next phone, or are you sticking with the Pro lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest USA tech updates here on Digital Dive.